equity and protocol.
Well, we're very sorry to see you. First of all, with our, in terms of our food security, for the very
and humanitarian fields between the Republic of the Philippines and the Socialist Republic of Vietnam during his tour of duty as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Vietnam to the Philippines. Her Excellency the President will now confer the Order of Sikatuna with the rank of Datu, Silver Distinction, on His Excellency Vu Xuan Truong. The citation reads as follows: Be it known to all men by this presents that Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, President of the Philippines, by virtue of the powers vested in her by law, has caused to be inscribed in the roster of the Order of Sikatuna the name of His Excellency Vu Xuan Truong, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, with the rank of Dato Silver Distinction, done in the city of Manila, this 11, 2010.
congratulations.
Thank you very much,
And all
Madam
the best.
President.
And all the best to you.
Okay.